Hi, it's Jaylene from WTI, and this Misfits protein bar is really delicious and highly addictive.
These are one of my new favorite protein bars that I like to snack on if I'm out at work or if I'm going on a walk and I need a little pick-me-up. So this protein bar is in the chocolate cookie butter flavor, and I love how it has 15 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. So the outside is covered in chocolate, and I love how the top part has pieces of cookie on top, which makes it more crunchy. And if you split it down the middle, you can see it has a delicious thin layer of cookie butter and more cookie pieces throughout for an overall delicious snack.
So I always like to keep a couple of these in my purse, and you'll be set for the whole week. And just in case you don't have time to eat in the morning before work or before school, or even after a workout, these are great to have on hand, and that's my point of view.